Welcome to our Fast Facts videos, where we demonstrate many of the advanced technologies that are shared across the Kia model range. If your vehicle is equipped with advanced smart cruise control, driving can be made more comfortable. Advanced smart cruise control uses radar to detect the distance between your vehicle and the traffic in front. The system adjusts the speed of your vehicle to maintain a selected distance. To turn the system on, press the cruise control button. The cruise indicator in the LCD display will illuminate. By selecting the Advanced Smart Cruise Control mode, you have a larger display. Accelerate to the desired speed, which must be above 30 km an hour. Move the thumb wheel down and release it when the desired speed is reached. The vehicle will continue to travel at the set speed without the need to apply the accelerator pedal. The set speed and vehicle-to-vehicle distance in the LCD display will illuminate. When a vehicle ahead is detected, your Kia will decelerate or accelerate to maintain the selected distance. The vehicle ahead will be indicated by an icon in the LCD display. If the vehicle ahead accelerates, your Kia will travel at a steady cruising speed after accelerating to the selected speed. Your Kia will maintain the set speed when the lane ahead is clear. Then it operates as conventional cruise control. In traffic, if the vehicle ahead of you stops, your vehicle will also come to a stop. Once the vehicle ahead of you starts moving again, your vehicle will start off again as well. However, if the vehicle in front of you stops for more than 3 seconds, you must depress the accelerator pedal or move the thumb wheel up or down to resume driving. If you wish to change the distance to the vehicle ahead, just press the vehicle-to-vehicle distance button. For example, the default setting at 90 km an hour is approximately 52 meters. 4 bars are shown. Press once to reduce the distance to about 40 meters. 3 bars are shown. Press again to change the distance to within approximately 32 meters. 2 bars are shown. Pressing the vehicle-to-vehicle distance button a third time will close the distance to approximately 25 meters. 1 bar is shown. When you are following a vehicle ahead and you have activated Advanced Smart Cruise Control, the speed at which the system adjusts your vehicle speed can be changed. Go to the User Setting mode and select one of the 3 stages you prefer. Slow, normal, or fast. For example, by selecting slow, the speed at which the system adjusts the distance to the vehicle in front will be slower than if set to normal or fast. The last selected mode remains in the system. To switch between Advanced Smart Cruise Control and Cruise Control, turn the system on and press the vehicle-to-vehicle distance button for a minimum of 2 seconds. To momentarily cancel the Advanced Smart Cruise Control, press the brake pedal or press the cancel button. To turn the Advanced Smart Cruise Control off, press the Cruise Control button. You should be aware of the system's limitations, which are detailed in your owner's manual. Never rely solely on the Advanced Smart Cruise Control system. For example, in corners or roundabouts, the Advanced Smart Cruise Control system may not detect moving vehicles in your lane every time. Similarly, when a vehicle moves into your lane, it may not be recognized by the sensor until it's fully within the sensor's detection range. Please be aware that the sensor can only recognize other moving automobiles or trucks. The sensor does not recognize stationary vehicles or other objects. It also does not recognize motorcycles, bicycles, debris, or other objects on the road. The advanced smart cruise control system cannot guarantee to stop the vehicle in every emergency situation. If an emergency stop is necessary, you must apply the brakes. In the case of an emergency stop, if a collision, even with maximum braking power, cannot be avoided, the system will display this warning. Therefore, make sure you always are prepared to use the brake pedal to stop your vehicle. Consult your Kia's owner manual for more information about the system's limitations and the circumstances in which it will cancel automatically. Remember, advanced smart cruise control is not a substitute for smart driving practices. It should only be used as an assistance system and when traveling on open highways and in good weather. Thank you for your attention. Hope I see you again soon at Kia Fast Facts. Bye-bye.